STEP understood our difficulties and came with ideas for improving our procedures. It's one of the main things I would recommend STEP for. I am Etienne Bartolo. I'm an engineer by profession, and I'm director and CEO of Marsa Rebar Ltd. Marsa Rebar Ltd took over from where Bromford Iron and Steel left. In 2014, Marsa Rebar was formed and it took over the facilities of Bromford. It's well to mention that Bromford was the first producer of steel in Malta. Today we process rebar for the construction industry, as well as we continue to produce, but in a more modern way, electro-welded mesh. Our advantage to the market is today that we produce electro-welded mesh, which is custom. So the client can order just in time any configuration of mesh he requires. Flexibility is one of our strongest points. We try to be as flexible as possible in meeting our customer demands. Our customers are mainly construction companies, varying from small entities to large ones. Our journey on ISO 9001, our aim was that we standardize our procedures, make them clear to everyone within the organization, and certify our quality management system. Our aim was to remain flexible. So together with STEP, we have striven to have procedures which do not undermine our flexibility. We wanted procedures which were simple, clear, and not rigid in a way that would lessen our freedom in being flexible with our clients. And I can say that we managed well with STEP to attain our target. Obviously, through ISO 9001, you have inbuilt traceability of the raw material which comes into our factory and until processing and delivered to the client. So that the client has the peace of mind that any item purchased from Marsa Rebar can be traced back to its origin. This is very important because our products finally end up in structures, and the architects and engineers of those structures must have the peace of mind that the steel making up that structure is of the quality that they specified. My proudest achievement with STEP was the development in reaching ISO 45001. Safety is a very critical aspect of our business. ISO 45001 is a tool whereby everyone within the organization, being manager or employee, knows and is clear about his role with regards to safety. The desire of implementing ISO 45001 also stems from the intrinsic nature of our business. You are handling heavy material, it's dangerous in itself. So you strive every day to make the place more safe by introducing new procedures with the aim of eliminating risks. And ISO 45001 is a very good tool to attain this. One of the main benefits of ISO 45001 is that it helped the organization share its responsibility with every individual member of the team. Everyone is clear about his responsibilities with regards to safety, and in that way each team member can better contribute to the final aim of a very safe working environment. Our relationship with STEP, I must say, is very easy, and that's very important. It's important that whoever is in front of you, who is collaborating with you, it's important that he understands your business. STEP made an effort in understanding our business in a way that they could give good suggestions, important suggestions, in us implementing new procedures or modifying procedures which were already in place. It was not a one-way dialogue, it was always two-way. STEP understood our difficulties and came with ideas for improving our procedures, which is something I appreciate a lot, and it's one of the main things I would recommend step for. It's not just you having a consultant that is following procedures in order to attain a quality standard, let's say by the book, but instead you have a partner who is not only understanding your business but giving you the right suggestions to attain your goals. Through ISO 45001, we have a disciplined way in reviewing and improving our operations vis-a-vis health and safety. And we are proud that through these months that we have been working together, we really managed to improve many aspects of our operations vis-a-vis health and safety. My recommendation to businesses is to take the step forward, implement a quality system such as ISO 9001, which will help them improve their operations and be not only more efficient in their processes but have an intrinsic quality standard within their organization. I would recommend businesses to make the step, make the effort, and reach out to STEP in order to achieve a better working environment for their employees and a better product for their clients. After going through these challenges, one with regards to quality, then with regards to health and safety, our aim going forward is to work harder in order to achieve sustainability and to find greener solutions, environmental considerations within our operations. And again, I'm sure with STEP we'll find a good partner which will help us achieve our new targets.